did not pay him for that introduction, so wow, thank you, I'm honored. Welcome to everybody, and thank you so much. This is a very special event. I was actually going to write a speech, and kind of, what am I going to say? And I sat down and actually started to write, and I thought, you know, this is an intimate event. These are our graduates, and it's more of a relationship, not a program. And so I'd like to kind of discuss this on what it means. And so first I would like to just say, what is a Master of Accountancy? So I'm sure that the students know, they're all looking at me like, what do you mean, what is a Master of Accountancy? But as parents and family members and loved ones, to share in this special event in recognition of this accomplishment. And for you guys, all of this hard work to where you have finally arrived, and congratulations. But what does it mean? Tomorrow in the main event, we're going to have graduates, bachelor's degrees, master's degrees, and doctoral degrees from all the different colleges at New Mexico State University. And these 4 individuals will be a part of this great hall. Some of the faculty will be there in attendance on the floor as well. You'll recognize us wearing this stuff. But you're going to notice the numbers. You're going to notice the bachelor's degree recipients, quite a few. In fact, in the College of Business, we have many degree programs at the undergraduate level. Bachelor's of Business Administration and Finance, for example. A Bachelor of Accountancy. The Bachelor of Accountancy program is a very rigorous program in and of itself at the undergraduate level. In order to get to the Master of Accountancy level, you have to go through the Bachelor of Accountancy series of courses, and I was going to say hoops, but I certainly don't want to use that language. But it's a very daunting and challenging degree. After the individuals accomplish that degree, and by the way, the folks that start saying, I want to be an accounting major, versus the folks that finish saying, I have an accounting degree, there's a substantial attrition. As Dr. Melendres pointed out, I teach intermediate accounting. I hate to use the term the washout class, but they're looking at me like, yep, we can all share our intermediate accounting stories. And the funny part is that I can look over at this fine faculty, and each one of those individuals can share a story from their intermediate accounting days. Because you see, it's not just a series of classes. The amount of knowledge about how business operates, it's much more than just simply debits and credits. And so it's those students that have the tenacity, the willpower, the stick-to-itiveness, if you will, that make it through. And once they survive that, then there's intermediate accounting too. The saga continues. They take tax and audit in just a series of courses until finally that magic day when they graduate. And suddenly, not all, but a few are accepted into a graduate program. And so what separates an undergraduate from a graduate program? I'm sure you've heard stories from them. They've shared experiences, and they've maybe had some of their accomplishments, and they've had achievements as far as, hey, what a great day, celebrate. And they've had some setbacks, and wow, I just need some consoling. But they never quit. They never quit. And so when you look, it's almost like a pyramid. There's a lot at the undergraduate level that start. There's not as many that finish, and then there's those few that go beyond to the master's level. The master's degree program, as Dr. Melendres pointed out, is accredited. It's recognized, and we have a 100% placement. We're proud of that. Even in the most downtrodden economy, we still have employers clamoring for our graduates. And that's, I guess, a testament to our program, to our graduates, and to the folks behind the scenes, the faculty. So I'd like to talk just for a moment about 3 groups of people that have come here tonight on, I guess, this kind of a cold, wintry night. At least now when I'm listening to the weather outside is frightening, I feel a little bit better than, hey, it's 75 degrees. It's not frightening to me. But I want to talk about three distinct groups of people that all have come here for this one very important event. And that is the family, the faculty, and the graduates. So in reverse order, just to kind of transition from where I was at, these graduates didn't quit. The Master of Accountancy program, with all of the applied research content, the amount of unbelievable work that, I guess for lack of a better word, is heaped upon them, and they push back. And we've seen them transition. It's almost like a diamond. A diamond starts out, kind of is the, what is it? I guess that wasn't a good analogy. How about a gold coin? If you look at a gold coin, a polished gold coin, you take rock and you break it, you condense it, you crush it, you refine it, you purify it. It just goes through how many iterations until finally at the very end you have this pure gold coin. And that's what you guys are. You never quit, you never stopped, and this tenacity is going to carry you, not only from the success that you're enjoying at this moment, but throughout your professional careers. I want to talk about the faculty at New Mexico State University. It's really amazing. Recruiters always come back to us and they say, you know, one thing about you guys is we can sit and have lunch with you, we can call you on the phone, we can have dinner, we can mention this student, that student, and you know all things about them, how they would fit, what kind of personality they have, and so forth. In other words, we develop a relationship. It's not just simply a student that takes classes and passes courses and they go on, but rather we're establishing a rapport, a relationship, if you will, that we're helping to transition these fine individuals to the fine professionals that they're going to be. But you know, there's one other group, because while this faculty is committed to the success of the program, which is our students, that's you, it couldn't be possible without the family, friends, and loved ones. You, initially, from day one, instilled all of the work ethic, all of the don't quit, all of the we're proud of you, we're going to encourage you and cheer you on in your good times, and we're going to be there when you're having a few bad times as well. And that's evidenced by the fact that you're here tonight in support of this, well, joyous occasion. So I kind of want to conclude, because I don't know about you, but if you can think about a commencement address that you can remember from, wow, that just grabbed me from, heck, I can hardly remember what I ate for breakfast yesterday. I do want to say, all kidding aside, what you have done is nothing short of fantastic, and you should really relish this moment. The people that are your support system, that are behind you, not just physically, but have been behind you from day one, got you to this point, and we were fortunate that we had you to shape and to transition into the fine professionals, as I said, that you're now transitioning out to be. So, in closing, and we have the Dean of the College of Business, who, by the way, was the former governor of the state of New Mexico. And we do have some recognition and prominence and prevalence in Las Cruces, south of, what is it? South of Socorro. There's nothing south of Socorro, I think. We're putting that to bed. We're on the map today. And we go out all corners of the earth, and we really, I guess, we make a difference. That's what it's all about. So in going away, remember, you're going into a profession, you're going to be paid very well, and once you get that pesky little CPA behind you, you're going to, well, you're going to start to really enjoy all the fruits of your labor. Please remember, in that enjoyment, it wouldn't have been possible without these faculty, those folks that are family in this institution. So do that. New Mexico State University is a 501c3, I believe this, and your contributions are tax deductible. No, I teach tax, Dr. Tunnel, right? Okay. So anyhow, but yes, we do have scholarships, and again, many of our former graduates, they give back. So again, stay in touch with us, let us know how you're doing, to share your accomplishments, because now at this moment, family, we're part of you as well, and we're all coming together to support you. So go Aggies and make us proud. Thanks.